Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 6 of our course. Wanted to start with a little bit of a thank you. Thanks for bearing with me this week as I was gone. I left Dexter early Wednesday morning and headed to Columbia for the MSTA convention, and I was there until Friday afternoon. And then I traveled to St. Louis and spent the weekend with my sister, my niece, and my nephew. I had every intention of doing some grading on Saturday and Sunday. Um, my niece and nephew had other plans. That did not get done. I am in the process of working my way through the midterm exams right now. I've emailed a few of you. I just wanted to assure you I am grading every question. I'm going to go through every one answer by answer and make sure that the auto grading feature on Canvas didn't make mistakes. If anything was tagged as incorrect or partially correct that should be given for full credit, I will correct that. It's taken a while. Excuse me. It's taken me a little bit of time to get through all that. So please bear with me for the next couple of days as I get those finished. Wanted to give you a quick overview of week 6 and give you a little bit of an extra resource that's not on Canvas yet. I'm going to post it in just a few minutes. But let's take a look at what is coming up this week. So you have your traditional reading assignments. There is a PowerPoint here, actually a couple of them that are very important because you're actually going to take a bit of a grammar test this week. So please review this information before you attempt to complete that assignment. And then as far as assignments go this week, we have our 2 discussion posts, A and B, and then you have the mini lesson plan. We're going to do 2 of these, one this week, one next week. You're either going to write a lesson plan this week over author's craft or conventions and grammar. Whichever one you choose for this week, we'll do the opposite for next week. So if you pick author's craft this week, you'll do conventions and grammar next week and vice versa. You are not doing a complete Hannibal Lagrange lesson plan form for this. There's a shortened lesson plan template right here on the assignment page. That is what you're going to use. Please review that and the scoring guide and let me know if you have any questions. Again, you're not doing a total huge, 8-page long Hannibal Lagrange lesson plan for this. It's just a mini lesson. So please take time to review that. You're also doing a grammar and punctuation test. There are 30 sentences in the quiz. Some are correct, some have errors. And I believe it's all multiple choice, and you're going to choose if the sentence is correct, or if not, how should it be written? Pretty simple, but review those PowerPoints and that reading material before you take this test. And then there's the one that everyone's going to be curious about. So you have that's the wrong screen. We have a writing unit assignment coming up. And apologize, I'm having trouble getting back to my assignment screen. Here we go. So this is actually coming up with an entire year's worth of writing plans. This is not an entire year's worth of lesson plans. This is an overview of the writing units that you're going to want to hit in your classroom during the school year. You will choose your own grade that you're interested in and review the learning standards for your grade. Look at the writing sections and include in your plan, say week 1 through 4, we're going to work on this. Weeks 5 through 8, we're going to work on this. It doesn't have to be week 1, this, week 2, this, week 3, this. It doesn't have to be quite that specific. There is an example on Canvas. This is a first grade unit, but you can see that it starts with what types of writing you're going to complete during the school year, and then eventually gets into a week, how many days are going to be in their week. You can fudge that a little bit, and the basic skills that are going to be taught. This is where you can literally take the standard and convert it into a what am I going to do statement. I have an extra resource for you that I wanted to share. There is a video, a YouTube video that I'm going to post in the announcements from one of my favorite online resources, Not So Wimpy Teacher. If you're not familiar with them, you should check them out. They have a video that is literally called How to Plan an Entire Year of Writing Lessons, and they're going to include a freebie. Down here underneath the chapters, you will find this little link to a free writing pacing guide. go ahead and click that and download it. Take a look at it. It could be helpful to you. Go ahead and watch your video. Yes, it's 13 minutes long. I know that, but it does have quite a bit of information. And I think it will really help you in figuring out how to structure the writing unit project. Also, I'm going to include a link to a website, same website from Not So Wimpy Teacher, but it is some written information on how to organize everything and how to not break your back doing this project. I think you'll find this will help you simplify it quite a bit. That's about all I have for this week. Again, thank you for your patience as I work on getting caught up with grades. It's just been a busy, hectic time. And I know a lot of you are dealing with the same thing because I've heard from quite a few of you. If you're in some kind of a situation where you've gotten a little bit behind and you need a little bit of extra time, it's fine. Let me know. I'll work with you. Do be aware that the end of the semester is approaching. We have essentially 2 weeks left of class. So if you are behind on anything, make sure you're working on catching up on missing assignments or on things you want to get caught up on. And again, if you need any assistance with anything, please let me know. I am responding to emails tonight and trying to get caught up on that. Once again, sincere apologies for being so far behind, but I'm going to get caught up and hope you guys have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns.